Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore some amazing horseshoe project ideas and other welding project ideas. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced metalworker, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in and get inspired. A horseshoe is a U-shaped metal plate that is nailed to the bottom of a horse's hoof to protect it and provide traction. Horseshoes are typically made of steel or aluminum and come in various sizes and shapes to fit different horses' hooves. They are commonly used in equestrian sports such as horse racing, show jumping, and dressage. Horseshoes have been used for centuries to protect horses' hooves from wear and tear caused by hard surfaces such as roads and rocky terrain. The practice of shoeing horses is believed to have originated in ancient times, with evidence of horseshoes dating back to ancient Roman Greece. In addition to their traditional use in horse care, scrap horseshoes can be repurposed in a variety of creative ways. Are you enjoying our collection of horseshoe project ideas and other welding project ideas? We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Horseshoes can be used to create rustic and western-themed home decor, such as wall art, candle holders, and bookends. They can also be incorporated into garden art, such as wind chimes, planters, and sculptures. Horseshoes can be transformed into unique and stylish jewelry pieces, such as necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. They can be mounted on walls to create sturdy and decorative coat hooks. In addition, horseshoes can be welded together to create a unique and functional wine rack. It can be fashioned into whimsical door knockers that add character to any entryway. Horseshoes can also be transformed into personalized keychains with the addition of custom engraving or charms. According to welding experts, horseshoe welding requires a specific set of characteristics to ensure a successful weld. The horseshoe must be cleaned thoroughly before welding to remove any dirt, debris, or rust that could interfere with the weld. Most horseshoes are made of steel, which can be difficult to weld due to its high carbon content. Welders must carefully control the heat of the weld to prevent the steel from becoming too brittle. Horseshoe welding typically results good results when using a MIG or TIG welding technique, as these methods allow for precise control over the heat and the amount of filler metal used. Welders may need to use a specific type of filler metal, such as nickel alloy, to ensure a strong and durable weld. Overall, horseshoe welding requires careful attention to detail and a skilled hand to achieve a successful result. Recycling or repurposing horseshoes reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, which helps to preserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Recycling horseshoes can also be a cost-effective alternative to purchasing new materials, as it eliminates the need to extract and process raw materials. As you can see in the video, horseshoes can be repurposed into a variety of objects, such as decorative art pieces or functional items like hooks or door knockers. Horseshoes have a long history and cultural significance, and recycling them can help to preserve this heritage by giving them new life in modern contexts. Recycling them can create jobs and stimulate local economies by supporting small businesses and artisans who specialize in repurposing materials. Recycling horseshoes requires less energy than producing new materials, as it eliminates the need for mining, refining, and manufacturing processes. Repurposing horseshoes can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by decreasing the amount of energy and resources needed to produce new materials. Making crafts by recycling horseshoes can be a fun and engaging activity for communities, as it encourages creativity and resourcefulness while promoting sustainability. Overall, scrap horseshoes offer endless possibilities for creative reuse and upcycling. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked horseshoe project ideas and other welding project ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.